This would be a good one to send to Danielle. Let him go and see if he...
Oh, look. He was staying with him.
He just needed training.
Oh, he's doing it, see?
Stay with him.
Oh, he's trying to get out.
That might have cooled him down a little bit. Put him on the raft, see what he does. That is too cute. Poor boy, he was just going like crazy. Now Meg does that when she's in the shower.
Oh, that's
Uh-huh.
on.
This is a lot. He's saying,
like a drink
yeah,
strat.
this is a lot.
Like, what are you doing to me?
Well, he's not panting anymore.
Look at him.
Oh, man.
Stay.
Let's see if he gets out. I think he enjoyed it.
Yeah, hi.
He's not fluffy anymore.
He said, well, how do I get off of this thing?